Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. As you know, in lots of my videos I've been saying about downsizing this year, and there's lots of jobs I need to do. So I've made a start. I need to retile the downstairs bathroom. So I bought some tiles last week. The Metro tiles top, like this colour. But I've got to undo the mess. So this is my bathroom door, the downstairs bathroom door. And as you come in, you can see, so originally it was tiled halfway up, but the shower here, it was a wet room. When we first moved in, I got a screen put in and a new shower put in, but I've been putting this off. As you can see, I'm in demolition mode. And I've been slowly filling my log burner bags because they're tough. They make great rubble bags. But as I've pulled the tiles off, as you can see halfway up, the plaster's just fell on the floor because it's sodden wet. So I'm going to tile up to the ceiling on both sides. It's all coming off here because I think whoever built the bathroom, I think it was built in 2012. We moved in 2020. They just tiled straight onto plasterboard. I bought a tanking kit for upstairs, but it looks like I'll be using it here in the shower. Thankfully I've got some plasterboard upstairs which I bought a few months ago for jobs upstairs, but I'm going to be using it here. So I'm going to have to strip the whole wall down, which is be an easy job, as you can see. I've kept some of the intact tiles because I want to leave these original tiles on there, this side, and put the new tiles on either side of this post, the divider wall. But I'm going to take the tiles up to the ceiling because I don't know why they did that in the first place. Everything to cut corners, save on money, I suppose. It was done for a little old lady who ended up in a pensioner home, God love her. So I just want to try and keep hold of some intact tiles to take it to the top so it doesn't cost me anything apart from obviously the adhesive and grout. And put the new Metro tiles either side of this dividing wall between the shower and the toilet. So thank goodness I've got that tanking kit because I definitely need it because the wall is just soggy. So I'll strip the wall down, bag it all up, let it dry out for a few days, and then get some fresh plasterboard up and tank it, then tile it. So as usual, one job becomes about 10. So let me know if you've done something similar in your house. I'm pretty sure you have because it's just shoddy workman, isn't it, doing everything on the cheap. Anyway, please like, share and subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.